bago natin batiin muna natin tong birthday. May birthday aba. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Ito, happy birthday. Happy birthday kay Tito Kevin Manuel ng Pulilan, Bulacan. From Cotton and Cassie. Ay, nako naman. Happy birthday sa inyo dyan. Habit listener natin, ang nanay, she is turning 90 years old tomorrow. Aba, baka daw pwedeng mabati ng happy birthday. Si Consolacion Custodio Meneses ng Cavite City. Ay, Nanay Consolacion, he will be turning 90 tomorrow. Happy birthday sa iyo, ano? Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Naksa. At happy birthday din kay Perlita. Perlita Matias. Nanay Perlita ng Malabon. Happy birthday, no? Mula naman sa YouTube Live, nagparamdam yung ating mga friends dyan to greet a happy birthday. Happy 26th birthday kay Justin Andrade ng Taguig Street, May Paho, Caloocan. Ay, happy birthday. Happy birthday kay Richard Rectin ng Kupang Antipolo. Happy 68th birthday naman kay Francisco D. ng Pinagbarilan, Baliwag, Bulacan. At 47 anyos na si Maricel Graneta ng Dubai. Happy birthday sa inyo. Sa ating FB Live din, happy 67th birthday. You don't look like 67, ha? Cory Orpiano. Ay! Cory in red. Happy birthday sa iyo. Happy birthday sa inyo. Ay! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Meron ding birthday dito. Happy birthday kay Kael Makasiray ng Potrero, Malabon. Ang pagbati mula sa Uson family. Thank you very much din sa inyong pakikinig sa DWWW 774, your ultimate music radio. At